In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Toggl Track with Notion time logs. We're going to set this up using a third-party automation tool such as Zapier, Make, or LateNode. The idea is simple. Whenever something happens in your Notion database, like a new task being added, your automation will create a matching time entry in Toggl Track. This saves you from manually copying details and keeps your time logs consistent. Start by signing up for the automation platform of your choice and creating a new automation. In Zapier, this is called a Zap. Give it a clear name so you can recognize it later. Next, choose Notion as the trigger app and select the event called New Database Item. This tells the automation to run every time a new row is added to a specific Notion database. If this is your first time connecting Notion, you'll be prompted to authorize access. Make sure you grant permission to the correct workspace and share the database you plan to use. Once connected, pick the specific Notion database where your tasks or items live. This should be the place you already use to collect work you want to track. It helps if your database has a title property for the task name and if you prefer date properties for timing. For the action, select Toggl Track and choose the event Create Time Entry. This action will build the time log in Toggl based on the information that comes from your Notion trigger. Most platforms will let you set the description, start time or duration, project, and tags. Now connect your Toggl Track account. You'll be asked for your API token, which you can find in your Toggl user settings. Keep this token private and never share it publicly. With both apps connected, map the fields from Notion to Toggl. A common setup is to map the Notion task title to the Toggl description. If your Notion database includes a project name, client, or tags, map those to their counterparts in Toggl. For timing, use a date or start property from Notion if you have one. Otherwise, many tools let you set the start time to the moment the automation runs and specify a default duration. Finally, run a test. The platform will create a sample time entry in Toggl so you can confirm the description, project, and timing look correct. If everything checks out, turn the automation on. From now on, every new item in your chosen Notion database will generate a corresponding time entry in Toggl Track, keeping your work organized and your time tracking effortless.